Good morning everybody. In today's lesson 7, we will learn about pencil drawing. We will learn 4 basic objects with pencil shadings. And in lesson 8, we will do a demonstration with a group of objects with pencil shading. There are dozen types of pencils. With as many uses, any pencil can be applied to drawing, and each has particular qualities that may influence or reflect an artist's style. Standard drawing pencils are listed according to degree of hardness. The softer pencils are referred as B, and ranges from 2B to 8B the softest. Hard pencils are referred as H and ranges from 2S to 6S, the hardest. HB is the middle grade pencil. Most people have used pencils since childhood. That is why it remains a most familiar drawing tool. When people are taught to write, they develop habit of holding pen and pencil that are appropriate for writing, not always for drawing. HB, 2B and 4B. The HB pencil is medium dark and appropriate for sketching. The 2B pencil is softer, 4B is the darkest of them. 2B and 4B pencil are used for shading. These are the pencils. The ranges of pencils. A good quality soft eraser is as important as the pencil. A piece of cotton cloth to spread and soften the pencil shading. The sharpener. For sharpening HB pencil, it is advisable not to use the sharpener for 2B to 8B pencils. The cutter marking paper stencil, and for sharpening 2B to 8B pencils. It is also used to powder the pencil lead which is required for shading.
First of all, we should know how to hold the pencil. The writing position is more commonly used for sketching and shading. Secondly, you can use your index finger like this. Second position is under palm. See the arm type. Again we start shading. Now we will use the thumb for using the light tone. Now again, you can also use a cloth around your index finger for shading. Now we can use this charcoal powder also with a small piece of cloth. See, like this. Now we shade the paper in a dark tone with the use of paper stick. We do dark to light tone. As well as we can mix up two joint section of lines with such shading technique. Now by cutting the edge of the rubber with cutter like this, now you can also feel the depth of the image. For our drawing, first of all, we shall use HB pencil. Start with the gentle moves through the pencil as well as deciding the area to work within the sheet. This is light pencil drawing. We should start drawing the objects keeping in mind the real image. The important thing to remember is don't start work with dark lines lest you should face real-time difficulties during the shading. Now start doing shading on envelope first. First effort should be to shade light to dark. This open face is shaded darker first. We shall use 8B pencil here for shading. Gradually shade the front area in such a manner that it creates a 3D depth. see. Take every corner within the shading. Now start shading the onion. Let's make its curvature and lining gently with smooth hand stroke. Remember, you should also draw the shade of the object onto the surface. It eventually increases the statistic and shows the knowledge of the artist for his or her work. Artist now is shading the bottom side of the garlic. And parallel he is drawing the outline. It is necessary to make the shade of the object onto the base, no matter how long it is. But we should do this so that perfection can be seen. Also, we have to see the effect of one object on other object. While finishing the garlic, you should make its structure clear, that is, the curly line design on the upper surface. These line kind of design is helping in differentiating the onion from garlic. The part of the garlic closer to the light should be darker than the rest of the part. The shading on the base helps in understanding the position of the light. Now start shading the other area around the main objects that we have already drawn. The purpose of shading the surrounding area is to differentiate the negative space and the positive space. This also gives the emphasis to look at the center where the main object exists. Finally, we start to give final touch to our composition. It consists of darkening the outer surface of the object, to give necessary depth to the view of object, and also to manipulate the object features according to the surroundings and the requirement.